welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video, this will serve you as a guide of how to put Audible books on your MP3 player. Here's what you need to do. So first, you want to make sure your Audible audiobooks are downloaded to your computer through the Audible app. So this is the one. This is the one. And then since Audible files use the AA or AAX format, you'll need to convert them to MP3, which is widely compatible with most MP3 players. You can do this using Audible's own Audible Sync app for Windows or Mac, or a trusted audio converter software. Once your files are converted to MP3, simply connect your MP3 player to your computer via USB, then create a folder for your audiobooks if needed. After that, drag the MP3 files into it. Simple as that, and then safely eject your device, and you're ready to enjoy Audible titles and go to without relying on your phone. This method keeps your listening experience portable and hassle-free, perfect for workouts, commutes, or travel.